Okay, so right now I need to figure out what we're going to explain in our next video. We got a ton of awesome suggestions from all of you, so I'm going to take those comments, import them into Lucidspark, and invite a few people here to help me figure it out. What do y'all think? What sticks out to you?
I'm already starting to feel like I don't understand what's happening with frogs.
There's a lot of frogs.
Frog lore, frogs, froggo, please.
I think capybaras are hot, as they say in Fifth Element.
I just found out that they're also called water hogs.
Whoa. See, we've already got content already.
I'm seeing a lot of requests for cryptids.
Wait, what's a cryptid?
It's like Bigfoot.
Yeah.
Oh.
I've seen a couple about dragons.
Oh, yeah. Make a frame on that one. Wait, what is a mogus?
Yes, Amogus is... I'll send you some links. It's great.
So there was definitely corn, but there was a bunch of other random foods, pizza or just food in general.
I just thought, please explain seafood.
There's one in here that says, "Can you please explain why she left?"
Oh.
Is there a version of this where we pick a bunch of these that we can't explain? Like, yeah, we can.
Oh, that'd be great.
I went ahead and put Taylor Swift into the things we can't explain category.
I mean, I'm intrigued by trying to explain Amogus because I don't know what that is. I think the food one we should definitely do. And then capybaras were a hot one. And then also frogs.
I think clouds and carnivorous plants could be fun.
Okay.
Clouds are really interesting.
I would agree.
You know what's also interesting? Like this one had a ton of likes on YouTube. Rocket science and then quantum physics too. I mean, I could try, but
They don't call you the king for nothing.
I guess not.
Wait, why do so many people want us to explain Return of the King?
Oh no, I think that was just
Is the king, and he
Yeah.
had returned.
yeah.
Got it.
Yeah, I mean, that'd be amazing. Somebody explain the final installment of the Lord of the Rings trilogy.
I don't know if we could get away with it like under fair use, but explaining Return of the King, meaning like you asked for it, we're explaining Return of the King, and then just like memeing up the Return of the King, just like it basically give bad explanations, but here's how this journey works. You had these people going there and doing this thing. I think that could be kind of fun.
Just like intentionally misinterpret.
Yeah, totally missed
Yes,
it.
yes.
Oh, that is funny. Thanks for the input. Got some good ideas here, and we'll make the next video.